Hi, it's Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Today I'm down at the Gold Coast store and I've got a 2018 Toyota HiLux Rugged X, which we're going to do some performance upgrades to. The Rugged X's are a great looking bit of gear with quite a few body enhancements over the SR5 HiLux from factory. They're not only awesome for off-road performance, but also as an off-road family car too. They are Toyota's answer to the HSV Sports Cat, the Ford Ranger Wildtrak, and also the Raptor. We're fitting one of our ultimate packages to this, as well as a suspension lift. An ultimate package consists of the fitment of an upgraded exhaust system, an engine oil catch can, and an on-car chemical soot clean if required. This HiLux has less than 10,000 kilometres on the clock, so the soot clean is not needed. Plus the job is finished off with a custom dyno tune to suit these upgrades, what the vehicle is used for, and to suit the customer's requirements as well. This is a DPF model, and we will not be removing it as there is no need to, and it is illegal as well. So we're fitting a DPF-back exhaust system to increase the flow. Outback Armour is our preferred choice in suspension upgrades here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning, which we fit to all our vehicles. Today we're going to be fitting the Outback Armour Expedition 2-inch lift kit to the Rugged X. We've now installed the suspension lift into the HiLux, and as you can see, it now sits 50mm higher. Their suspension kits are designed and engineered in Australia to provide the strength, durability and reliability required for demanding off-road conditions. They are very high quality with various kits available with specific heights and load ratings to choose from. Prior to doing the custom dyno tune to all vehicles here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning, we give the vehicles a pre-tune inspection. This is a crucial part to the tuning procedure here to ensure the engine is in good nick, all fluid levels are good, and there are no fluid leaks, even with a truckload of mud under the bonnet. This HiLux is all good and ready to hit the dyno for the custom dyno tune. So this HiLux is used as a daily driver. It's used for the family to get away on trips up the beach and also in the bush. I also want to make mention this owner doesn't use it for towing. It's the owner's first four-wheel drive, and he's currently concerned about the down-low turbo lag that it has, and he's chasing better all-round drivability. Plus he's into performance petrol cars too, so he's already had the horsepower bug and just wants more grunt out of his diesel. We are going to concentrate on achieving all of this for him, and we're going to tune it to suit what it is used for as well. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on our all-wheel drive dyno in standard form to get base power and torque figures at the wheels. This is how we know which vital information and figures we are starting off with for each vehicle, as every engine is different. We also test to confirm the engine is running correctly with no underlying issues, then we carry out the custom dyno tune. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters, such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Via the use of our dyno, we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car, whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until optimised power and torque is achieved, based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customised tuning process. So we've now completed the ultimate package to the HiLux, finishing off with a custom dyno tune. Let's check it out. In standard form, the HiLux had 100 kilowatts and 375 Newton meters at the rear wheels. After completing the ultimate package, which is the DPF-back exhaust system, catch can, and custom dyno tune, also if it's done over 40,000 Ks, we do the intake manifold with the soot clean. This vehicle, being only new, didn't need it. So we had 127 kilowatts and 491 Newton meters after completing all that work, which represented a 27% gain in peak power and 30% gain in torque. This customer wanted more power and torque and get rid of the turbo lag out of his Toyota HiLux Rugged X. We've certainly delivered this for him today and transformed this vehicle with 30% gain in peak torque and noticeable gains all the way through the rev range. So if you're looking to improve the performance of your diesel vehicle, this is what we specialise in here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. So give us a call or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne, and we've got dealers all the way across the country. And remember, subscribe to us at Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.